So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add app to wishlist on your Google Play Store. So let's open up Google Play Store. The one you need to do is okay. Now these are the apps. Now, so I wanted to add some apps to my wish list. All you need to do is just double click on this, and you're gonna see. Okay, this one is, make sure you use the app that is not installed. So I'm going to go and search for some apps now. So for example, this one, you can see, okay, it's already on my wish list. So I'm going to click on this, double click, and click on add to wish list. I'm going to double click on another one like this one now. Click on add to wish list. Just double click on it, and it's going to add to your wish list. You'll be able to find and download them later, even if you forget as you're scrolling to another apps or another game. So that's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe.